We've shown you how to defend your garage against the elements. Now we're going to take a look at a feature that can make an extension of your home's usable areas. Rob Wenzel from Novak Heating and Cooling has joined us to share with us an energy-efficient heat pump system that works well with an insulated garage. Rob, it's always good to talk with you. We've talked about heat pumps before, but what makes them ideal in terms of climate control for a garage?
One of the main advantages is you have a garage that is kind of an independent zone compared to your main house. A heat pump system out here is going to be able to not only heat but cool year-round, so it really turns it into a more functional space for you that you can use for a variety of activities, not just parking your car.
Let's talk about the project here for your customer. We're in the garage, and tell us about what they plan for this space.
Yeah, they just wanted an area that, you know, they could maybe put up a TV, work on the car, maybe the kids could come out and hang out a little bit when it's really hot out or really cold out, and just kind of have it be like a craft activity type area.
Are you seeing more and more homeowners trying to utilize spaces like this? We're in a garage and make it more livable?
Yeah, well, I mean, a lot of newer homes especially have bigger garages, and people just want a little extra space to do something that might be a messy project or, you know, a garage, you know, working on a car type activity. And with the modern technology and efficiency that we have in these newer systems, we can really make that a more functional space by adding a system like this.
Let's talk about the heat pump system here for this project. Why is it so good for this?
So not only is it heating and cooling the space, but it has the capacity to keep up with it. So we get extreme hot, humid summers, as well as winters get extremely cold. This system has that capacity and versatility to not only switch from air conditioning mode to keep up in the summertime, but switch into that heating mode and keep things warm, melt the snow off the cars, or make it an actual comfortable space for you.
What do homeowners need to consider when they think about a heat pump system and for like a garage here?
The main consideration in my mind is what temperature they're trying to attain. Keeping a garage at 50 degrees in the winter is much different than 70 degrees. So you want to make sure it's sized properly for what you're intending its use for. Also just location of it. Where's it gonna, you know, where's your main area that you're wanting to use out in the garage, and what are you wanting to do out there? But I think also just figuring out, you know, what type of activities you're wanting to do in the garage as well can kind of help you get that properly sized unit. And then, you know, we can come in and actually determine what the best sizing is for that space.
So walk us, Rob, through the installation. We showed up here and tell us about what's happened here in the garage and then on the outside as well.
Yeah, so we started off in here. We have this is the inside unit, it's the air handler. This is a high wall mount type unit. We kind of determined this was the best fit for the space. We also have a variety of different interior products that we could use. We have ceiling mount units, console units that go on the floor as well. We determined a high wall unit works really great here. This, on the opposite side of this wall, we have some refrigerant lines that go out, as well as some wiring that goes out, and it's going to travel down the side of the house to a condensing unit. And that's where that heating, cooling transfer, just like the main system in your house, is going to work. So the system in here is going to circulate the air, it's going to filter the air, and it's going to condition the air.
And this is really, again, the space back here for the homeowner. They've got a lot of room, and it's, as you said, it's up top and out of the way, right?
Yeah, it's out of the way. I mean, they're not going to bump into it. They're quiet, so you know, you can have activities out here, you can talk, you can play your radio, and that's going to just make it comfortable and you're not going to hear it.
Yeah, and on the outside, so the electrical service, everything's on the outside there, right?
Yeah, so luckily their main panel is actually right here as well, which worked out well in this application. So we were able to get a main feed out to that condensing unit to supply power to the whole system.
Okay. When we talk about something like this, ballpark a little bit in terms of costs, and I know it can vary, you know, in terms of the setup and where you're putting things, but give us the kind of a rough ballpark or something.
Yeah, you're always trying to get the prices out of me. Generally, I'm going to say a garage system could be anywhere in like the $6,000 to $8,000 range. It really comes down to size. Electrical is a factor because we have to make sure we have a dedicated circuit to that unit. Sometimes that can pose a challenge. and really just the size and style of the equipment.
But that's where you have that consultation with your customer, you know, and you really lay out all the options for them, right?
Yeah, it's kind of a step-by-step process. We want to understand what they're doing in the space, what temperature they want it to attain, and then from there we can kind of go through what the different styles and options are that we have.
But it's really, they're adding more livable space, right? And here in the upper Midwest, you know, summers can get very warm, so you want to have it cool enough. Winters can get very cold, and you want to have, again, a place, you know, this could be, the kids could come out here, but some real benefits all year round, right?
Oh, absolutely. You know, just having a space where if you just simply want to melt the snow off the car, or you know, have a little craft area, whatever you want to do, but we can size it for all those different options. The other great part about the newer technology in these systems, the inverter compressors in these units, they can vary a little bit of capacity there, so we can actually size this so it has that versatility to do moderate temperatures or extreme temperatures.
Well, I did mention off the top, though, you want to have a well-insulated garage, right? I mean,
yeah, that's important. I mean, we can put a system in any garage, but if it's not insulated and sealed properly, you're just going to spend a lot of money trying to keep up and keep it comfortable.
So again, keep that in mind when you're looking at spaces. But the, again, energy efficient heat pump system, a great option, right?
Yeah, it's a great add-on option for a garage. Some people, I mean, we've done the old garage heater, the gas heater out in the garage. Works great for the winter time, but here's a system that does the summer, it does the winter, and it does it efficiently for both seasons for you.
Thanks, Rob. That seems like a great solution for a lot of open spaces. And you can learn more about energy-saving ways for your PowerHouse by visiting our website at powerhousetv.com.